Hey, baby. Does that taste good? You like that?
Hey.
Hi. How are you this morning? You slept great. You slept for 11 hours straight. Oh my gosh. You're the best baby in the world. Yeah. Look at that cute face. And look at those cute feetsies. I think Grandma Wendy got you this outfit. Yeah, Grandma Wendy. Yeah. Did your finger taste good? You're not supposed to choke yourself, silly. Hi, handsome. Flip open the lid. Flip open the lid. Come on, you can do it. Flip open the lid. Yeah. Come on. You are so stinking cute. Look at that face. Look at that face. How's your finger? Oh yeah, what else? Nya 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 nya. What else do you want to say? What are you upset about? Where's your giraffe? Look it, here's your best friend. This is Brody's best friend, Mr. Giraffe. Yeah, you love Mr. Giraffe. You just eat his ear. Yeah. Eat his face. Yeah, eat him. Oh yeah, eat that giraffe. Yeah. Yeah, that thing is delicious, huh? Oh, eat his leg. Eat his leg. Here. You want to eat his butt? Eat his butt. Woo! Hi. Oh! You threw him. Here. Yeah, he's your friend, isn't he? Oh my goodness, we're getting angry. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Brody, talk to Mom. Oh, you are getting very frustrated this morning, mister. Very frustrated.